On October 12, 1492, America was discovered. It came out red and hairy according to the Bible, which says, "And the first came out red all over like a hairy garment, and they called his name Esau." By this reason, it goes together with the Bible. The younger brother got also in line with the Bible because on March 16, 1521, the Philippines was discovered by Magellan. If we will go with the Holy Scripture, Jacob was born holding his hand at the heel of Esau. Just to fulfill this, Ferdinand Magellan touched the last point of South America before he reached the Philippines. In addition, with this, it is written as follows, "And the one people shall be stronger than the other people, and the elder shall serve the younger." In so doing, this was also fulfilled. Between these two nations, America is stronger than the Philippines, and the former served the latter because during the Second World War, America served the Philippines. Why do America help the Philippines? Because it is written that the elder serves the younger. Considering the revolution between the Spain and the Philippines, no Filipinos went to America to ask for help, but the Americans came to the Philippines and fought with the Filipinos against the Spaniards, making these events in line with the Bible. For this reason, we can determine that the hidden Esau or Edom is America, and the hidden Jacob or Israel is the Philippines. Now, if we will set this back in the olden days, it was in Jacob's family where the 12 brothers were born, and one of these 12, who was Judah, Christ was born. Now, if America is for Esau and the Philippines is for Jacob, and it is in Jacob's family where Christ was born, so then in the Philippines, which is Jacob, Christ will appear in form of human being who will rule over all the world, starting from the Philippines. By this reason, I am not afraid nor ashamed to tell the whole world that the Philippines fulfills the prophecy in the Holy Bible. This is the first testimony in which I will repeat that the Philippines serves as the fulfillment of the prophecy.
Back to King Nebuchadnezzar's dream. What nation will be the next fifth kingdom, which represent the feet and the toes of the feet, parts of iron and parts of clay?
It's Christ's kingdom of the Philippines. Therefore, the Philippines will be the kingdom of God.